Hello and welcome back. This is your place to listen, repeat, shadow, and improve your English at a slow and natural speed. My name is Tom, and I'm really glad you're here today. In this episode, I will speak slowly and clearly. I will use simple words and repeat ideas so you can follow my voice, practice speaking, and grow your confidence step by step. Today's topic is how to talk about your day in English. Not just short answers, but full and clear ideas. We will talk about your morning, your afternoon, and your evening routine. By the end of this episode, you will be able to describe your daily life in English using natural and easy sentences. So, let's get started. Why should you practice talking about your day? Because your day is real. It's something you live every single day. You already know it very well. You don't need to think about difficult topics like history, science, or politics. You only talk about your own life. You can say what time you wake up, what you eat, where you go, and how you feel. Maybe you feel tired, maybe busy, maybe happy, or relaxed. And here is the good news. When you talk about your own day, you are practicing real English, useful English, English you can use with real people. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to speak. A simple example. Imagine you meet someone and they ask, "What did you do today?" If you practice before, you can answer easily. You can say, "I woke up at 7. I went to work. I drank coffee and answered emails. In the evening, I cooked dinner and watched TV." That is a real conversation. That is communication. And that is your goal. Even if you are alone, even if you are shy, even if you are not in a class, you can still practice English by talking about your day. Helpful questions to ask yourself. What did I do today? What time did I wake up? What did I eat? Where did I go? What did I do at night? These questions help you remember vocabulary, make full sentences, speak without stress. You can talk about yesterday in the morning. You can review today in the evening. You can even record your voice and listen again. Keep it simple. Use the English you already know. Don't worry about mistakes. 1 sentence today, 2 tomorrow, a full story next week. Now, let's practice together. Morning practice. The morning is very important. It sets your mood for the whole day. Let's repeat some simple morning sentences. Please repeat after me. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. Now repeat. Sometimes I wake up earlier when I have many things to do. Repeat. If I sleep late, I feel tired in the morning. I stay in bed for a few minutes and think about my day. I stretch my arms and legs slowly. Then I get out of bed and walk to the bathroom. I brush my teeth carefully for 2 minutes. I wash my face with cold water to feel fresh. Sometimes I take a short shower. While showering, I like to listen to soft music or English audio. After that, I put on clean and comfortable clothes. I go to the kitchen and make breakfast.
I usually eat toast, eggs, or fruit. Sometimes I drink coffee. Other days I drink tea. I eat slowly and enjoy the quiet morning. Before leaving home, I check my phone. I check the time and my schedule. I pack my bag with my phone, keys, notebook, and water. Then I put on my shoes and leave the house. Morning story. Now listen to a short story about my morning. In the morning, I wake up around 7. I stay in bed for a short time and think about my plans. I stretch and slowly stand up. I brush my teeth and wash my face. If I feel sleepy, I take a warm shower. After that, I wear clean clothes and prepare breakfast. I eat toast and drink coffee while sitting near the window. Before I leave, I check my phone and pack my bag. Then I open the door and start my day. Afternoon practice. The afternoon is usually busy. Let's practice some common sentences. After lunch, I go back to work. I check my emails and messages. I attend meetings or classes. If I work from home, I sit at my desk and use my laptop. I take a short break around 3 o'clock. I drink tea or eat a small snack. Sometimes I go outside for fresh air. When I have free time, I study English. I listen to podcasts or watch slow English videos. Before finishing work, I write what I did today. Afternoon story. After lunch, I return to my work. I make a to-do list and check emails. I attend a short meeting. After that, I take a break and drink tea. If I have time, I practice English by listening and repeating sentences. Before ending my day, I write a short summary of my work. Evening and night. In the evening, I come home and rest. I take off my shoes and relax. I cook dinner or order food. I eat with my family and talk about the day. After dinner, I clean the kitchen. Sometimes I go for a short walk. Before bed, I read or listen to music. I brush my teeth and go to sleep around 11. Final message. Now it's your turn. Talk about your day. Use short sentences. Speak slowly. Don't worry about mistakes. 1 sentence today. 2 tomorrow. A full story next week. You have reached the end of English Unleashed. I'm Tom. Thank you for listening. See you next time.